Hi, 3-year-olds. It's Joe Fury in the Storm Team 8 Weather Center. Hope you had a nice weekend. Thanks to everybody that came out to the New Haven St. Patrick's Day Parade. What a blast. Nice meeting so many of you. And, of course, thanks for watching on Channel 8 as well. And now, well, this time of year is famous for big storms. 135 years ago today, 4 feet of snow fell in central Connecticut. Yeah, the blizzard of 1888. And then, of course, back on this date, in 1993, we had over 2 feet of snow in parts of Connecticut with the storm of the century. Well, this storm system is evolving, is going to be undergoing the bombogenesis. Where all that comes together is going to determine what you get at your house. And, well, right now it's the northeast and northwest hills that are under the gun for the biggest amounts of snow and the biggest power outage problems, while the southern part of the state is mostly rain. But you'll get some snow there, too, as well. So as far as where we are, we have the winter storm warnings out for Litchfield, Tolland, and Windham counties, the winter weather advisories for Hartford and the interior of the southern 4 counties. We're talking about 8 to 16 inches or more of snow in Litchfield County, northwestern Hartford County, and far northern Tolland and Windham counties. You get down into the Hartford area, the valley, and points on south towards the shoreline, and, well, the amount of liquid that comes out of this is substantial. So we don't want to leave out the southern areas that are having 2.5 inches of liquid fall. Some of that will fall as snow, but again, a lot of that's going to fall as snow up in the hills. And that's where we're going to have the big accumulations and the big problems with power outages. It's a very heavy, wet snow caking on the trees and power lines and causing problems in parts of Tolland, Windham, and especially northwestern Hartford and Litchfield counties. So you can get some local street highway flooding out of the rain overnight tonight in portions of the state, especially the valley and southern Connecticut. And, well, as we head through midnight, you've got snow in the northwest hills, especially in the northern and northwestern Litchfield County. You can see the rest of the state, 1:30 a.m. is raining. And then see the snow line dropping south at 3:30 a.m. Now it's making its way down toward the I-84 corridor. And then look at that, going into the morning rush on Tuesday, 91 on east and south is raining, while, yeah, it's snowing in western Connecticut. So western Connecticut, you're under the gun for the biggest amounts of snow, and that can be into parts of Fairfield County, too, with up and over 1/2 foot in northern Fairfield County, and that's the case northern New Haven County as well. And so as we go through the day tomorrow into the afternoon, you'll see the snow line come down. See 2 o'clock is starting to come down through southern Connecticut. And by 5 p.m., the whole state has snow falling as the storm's undergoing the bombogenesis out to our east-northeast. So, yeah, going into the evening rush tomorrow, that's when we could get it slippery even down towards the shoreline. And then once we hit into Tuesday evening, you can see the northerly flow, northwest flow takes over, so the atmosphere starts to dry. So then you get into more of the scattered snow shower action. And Wednesday, it starts out upper 20s, low 30s, highs in the mid 30s to low 40s, gusty wind. Could be a scattered snow shower Wednesday, maybe a little sun out too, but the wind wants to get up around 40 miles per hour Wednesday, so you're going to need to bundle up. And then Thursday, how about we get 50, maybe even higher than 50. We'll say mid 40s to low 50s, and it's mixed sun and clouds, and it's a lighter wind. Friday, mainly dry, although I can't rule out a shower, and then Saturday morning starts wet. The afternoon, the sun is out. Sunday looks good, too. So, rain for most of the state overnight, with the exception of northwestern Connecticut, where the heavy snow will be pouring on down. And again, the rain pouring on down. Watch out for, the big puddles and local street highway flooding, and your basement, if you have a problem with heavy rains in southern Connecticut, central Connecticut especially. But any rain is going to go to wet snow everywhere during the day tomorrow. So it's going to be a real mess in the hills of northwestern Connecticut, western Connecticut, and northeast Connecticut. And then the valley, Hartford on south, will join in that snow tomorrow afternoon. And that tapers off tomorrow night. And then some sun, windy, highs, we'll say in the upper 30s to low and mid 40s Wednesday. It'll feel colder with the wind gusting to 40. And then 50 Thursday and Friday with really nice weather for the most part. Can't rule out a shower Friday, mainly dry. Best chance for some rain Friday night, early Saturday. So, yeah, at least it looks nice for the end of the week, into the weekend, with the temperature not too far from average, actually. We'll take 50 this time of year. But for now, you got to, tune in to Gil and the gang first thing on Tuesday morning for the very latest update on what's happening where you are. Again, you guys up in the high elevations of western Connecticut and far northeast Connecticut, you're going to be in your own world with the heavy wet snow caking on everything, power outage potential, dangerous travel. And then you get down into the valley, the Connecticut River Valley, 91 quarter Hartford on south, and the 95 quarter just mainly wet, but the snow will get to you as we go through the day tomorrow before it tapers off tomorrow evening. So, very interesting weather situation. Be safe out there, and we'll have you updated hour by hour on air and here online. Hope you're feeling well. Bye.